name's Sam, welcome to Left Foot Throttle. On today's episode we are going to be doing an oil change and plugs on the E46. We're going out for a track day later, so I sort of want the car to be as sort of good as it can be. So we'll get the car up in the air and then you can join me down below. So you're probably wondering why I'm struggling and doing this on the floor, but basically the ramp is bolted down but it's not wired in currently, and we have a track day later to do. Oh lordy, let's catch this oil. It's a bit dark but it still looks cleanish. Can't see any sparkles on my finger. While the oil is draining, let's change the filter. To do this you'll need a 13mm socket on a ratchet and a pick to remove the old O-rings. You'll also need to remove the TPS plug to get the lid off. Look at that. Ooh, it's got a BMW filter in. What a treat. New filter. Bosh. There. So. Comes with fresh O-rings, always fit the O-rings. So there's a big one for the lid, there's a little one here, and then there's like a crush washer. That one up. New seal. Oh, this one's fiddly. Come on. There we go. Quick. What does that say? Drain plug magnet. Dimple. A little bit of stuff on it, but nothing crazy. So it's time to put the oil in. I'll be putting in Casual Edge 1060. As you can see on the back, if I get close enough, BMW M models. Also for Chiron, Veyron, Koenigsegg, Ferraris, Audi R8 and Aston Martin. So this is some premium gourmet shiz, as they say. We'll start the car and wait for the oil light to go out. There we go. Just let it run for a few seconds, then shut it down. We've added 5 litres and let the light go out, so let's check the oil level. As expected, it's on the low side, so we'll add another half a litre. Look, half a litre in. And yeah, we're between the lines. The official BMW sort of guidelines basically say between the lines is fine. So that's 5.5 litres of the 1060. So we can go racing. Now I did say at the start of the video we would be doing the plugs, however due to a parts mix up I've been given the wrong ones. I can't get that sorted before we go, so I'll just change the pollen filter for now. The new plugs will have to wait till after the track day. Doesn't, oh, yeah, nice, that definitely needs changing. So, as you can see, the cabin filter was long overdue, the other one was minging. Now that's all done, let's head to the track. We are on our way to Bedford Autodrome. I've got my wife Elise with me. Say hello, Elise. Hiya! We are going to take the M3 for a track day and sort of see how it does, see how the SMG is, see how the rest of the car is. First time going to Bedford Autodrome, so quite excited about that. Going to sign in. Got our signing in sticker. Still got to be noise tested, but it's a factory exhaust, so I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. One of many to come. Let's go. Time for the static noise test.
You still not be progressive if you would.
As expected, it passed with flying colours. We then headed out to do a couple of sighting laps and Elise got behind the wheel. Enough of the music, let's listen to that German symphony.
Have you just been videoing the road?
No, there's your face while she's driving.
Yeah. I don't even know what facial expressions I was putting.
We're going to find out, all the eyes, like,
Well,
I'm going to see when we get to that corner and see how you go. Pure fear. Just, oh shit.
You won't know when we're at that corner.
When we
though.
went into that corner, my head basically went, we haven't got insurance.
See, when you do that, I'm like, our child's going to be oh no, an M3, an
M-Trez.
This is manual.
Brake a leg.
I haven't got an extra
One leg, brake and leg.
Sport mode, yes. Traction control off. Might regret that later. Manual mode.
was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Quickly been humbled by the M3. My friend James said they were very snappy, and that was very snappy. When you spin, you automatically get black flagged and have to go back to the pits and think about what you've done. I'm not annoyed that I spun. I basically found the limits of my talent and the car, so I just need to dial it back a little bit.
How was it?
I got black flag.
You got black flag?
I spun.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. I can't wait to see your face on the GoPro.
I was like, a couple calls, like, yeah, cool, I'm drifting. And luckily, I didn't hit anybody.
Yeah, that was lucky. Or anything.
Or anything, yeah.
Yeah, that
just
would
my
be.
pride. I span out at the end of the session, so decided to call it a day and let the car cool down a bit before we headed home. Toasty.
Well, there's no smoke, so that's a good thing.
381 is the first sticker of many. I'm not going to fill the windscreen up because that would be dangerous.
This sticker is dangerous and inconvenient.
But we're definitely going to add to this because that was a lot of fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
That was good. I did enjoy that.
All our hobbies seem to be really expensive though.
They do. Look at the lovely sunset. And the track is closed.
Please drive home safely. But yeah, no, this SFG thing, it does work. It's very like, it seems pretty good. Like it takes the power, but if the gear shifts were a bit quicker, it would probably make the whole thing a bit better. They're on the most quick mode. That was a pretty quick shift.
That's quite a quick shift as well.
Time will tell whether or not I've made the right decision. So we're nearly home from the track. We both had a really good time. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. If you have enjoyed it, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button. More track days will be coming up after some BMW modification. Thank you very much for watching. My name's